Hello, welcome back to my channel. In this video I will be showing you how to monetize your TikTok account on Delux, or how to link your Delux account to your TikTok account. So for you to be able to link these two platforms together, this is what you need to do. You need to head over to social media monetization. Either you come to this place, or you can click here. You can go to the menu right here. After you click on the menu, then you come to TikTok Pay. So if you click on the TikTok Pay, it's going to take you to this particular place where it requires for your TikTok profile link. You need to put your TikTok link right here. So for you to get this link, you need to go to your TikTok account. Let's go to TikTok. For example, this is my TikTok account. All I need to do is to head over and click on edit. So after clicking on edit, here is my TikTok profile link. So you just copy it, click on this particular icon right here, this particular small icon, click on the icon to copy it, then go back to your Delux account, put the link. Now head over and click on update social. Okay, you wait. So after that one, you come here, post link. So if you check this thing very well, you see that the video that you need to upload, the video that you need to link, need to have at least 5k views for you to get paid on this particular feature. Then so let's go, for example, let me go to my TikTok again. This is the TikTok account, and for example, if this is the video that I want to use, let's say I want to use any of this video, I can just come right here. If one of my So you come to your TikTok like this. For example, if this is the video that you want to use, for example,
hi guys. So
you just need to click on the video like this. After clicking on the video, you can now head over to this particular icon right here. Check it very well. You will see this icon right here. Let me draw it. So you click on the icon. After clicking on this particular icon, this place is going to come up. Now you are going to see copy link, copy the video link, then bring the video link right here, paste it here. Now you need to accept the terms. After clicking on accept, you can now head over and click on proceed. You see, payment have been submitted. So this is how you can successfully link your TikTok. So this is how you can successfully link your TikTok account with your Delux account and get paid for your video. So if you find this video helpful, make sure to like and comment on this video. Share this video to your friends so that they can also benefit, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel and turn on the notification bells to get notified whenever we post a video like this. Lastly, if you have any difficulties in accessing the website or in navigating the site, you can reach out to me by dropping your comment on the comment section, and I will respond to you.